What if I told you one of these words can completely change the meaning of your sentence, even if everything else is correct? Listen carefully. Casual and causal. They look almost the same, but they do not behave the same at all. So instead of mixing them, let's separate them step by step. Let's begin with the word you already see more often in daily life. The word Casual is pronounced as casual. Casual. It has a soft, relaxed sound, and its meaning follows the same idea. When we use casual, we are describing something informal, relaxed, or not serious. It tells us about the style or attitude, not logic or reason. For example, I wore casual clothes to class. Here, casual describes the type of clothes. The speaker is not dressed formally. No suit, no official style. The clothes are simple and comfortable. So the word is giving us a feeling of relaxation. Now consider we had a casual conversation. This does not mean the conversation had a cause. It means the conversation was relaxed, natural, and not planned. There was no pressure or seriousness. Again, the word is describing the tone of the situation. So at this point, we can clearly say casual is about how something feels, relaxed and informal. Now, from here, we move to a word that looks similar but shifts completely in meaning. Causal. The word Causal is pronounced as causal. Causal. The sound is sharper and the meaning is more technical. Causal comes from the word cause, so it is used when we talk about reason and result, when one thing leads to another. For example, there is a causal relationship between smoking and disease. Here we are not describing the style or feeling. We are explaining a connection. Smoking leads to disease. One is the cause and the other is the result. That's why we use causal. Another example, the study explains the causal factors of poverty. In this sentence, causal factors means the reasons that create poverty. The focus is on understanding why something happens, not how it feels. Now let's place the two side by side. He gave a casual answer. This means his answer was relaxed, maybe not serious or deeply thought. He gave a causal explanation. This means he explained the reasons behind something. His answer focused on cause and effect. Same structure but completely different meanings. Now, a very common mistake students make is this. There is a casual relationship between the two events. This is incorrect because events do not have relaxed relationships. The correct sentence is, there is a causal relationship between the two events because we are talking about cause and effect. So remember this clearly. Casual describes style and feeling. Causal explains reason and result. A small difference in spelling, but a very big difference in meaning.